Wanbo Dali 1. This is the latest projector na meron ni Wanbo. And we've been trying mga Wanbo na projector. And I believe that this one is another improvement from the same company. So tara, buksan natin. So right now, bubuksan na natin itong box na ito. And it's still sealed. So, Actually, hindi styro. Box within the box. So, I think this is boxception. You have another box inside the box. So, it's funny enough na meron another box ulit sa loob. So, bubuksan din natin. Meron tayong user guide. Meron tayong styro. Ito na. Ang liit, oh. Honestly, I think it's a little bit more smaller than the other Wanbo na nagamit ko. Medyo mas malaki pa nga kunti si T1 Max, I think. So, ganito ang magiging itsura niya. Meron kang lens dito. Andyan ang kanyang power button. Sa likod, there are several ports. Meron ka pang audio. Meron kang USB-A, HDMI, and power in. Andito ang kanyang exhaust. And nandito ang kanyang speakers. Sa ilalim, pwede ka pa mag-mount sa tripod. So, you also have your charging bricks. Andito ang kanyang remote. Batteries not included. So on the side, meron din tayo Wanbo na desktop stand, which ganito magiging itsura na pag kinabit mo ang kanyang desktop stand. And meron din mabibili na Wanbo HD Anti-Light Curtain Pro. These are sold separately. Okay, so we're going to switch on our device using the remote. So you can see the light is on. You can see the Wanbo logo is already on. So let's just simply turn up my lights. Okay, let's just give it a better experience. So I hope this will be good. So you can see that it's calibrating on its own to give us a better, clearer display. So yeah, I think this is good enough. So let's go. So the setup is pretty easy. Just a quick breeze through, install your Wi-Fi account, and that's it. Then right now, let's just head on over and check everything that's inside this projector. I would say that right now, looking at this screen, it's really nice and very, very sharp. And yeah, let's go to check all of the apps that's pre-installed in here. We have Prime Video, Disney Plus, Netflix, we have Google Play Store, Miracast, we have Chrome, and we have YouTube over here. Then you have its native app store that's here, which you can install all of your other apps that's not yet inside. Okay, so you can see you have some of these featured apps like Flex, Pluto TV, and MLB, Red Bull TV, SoundCloud, Paramount, YouTube Kids, ESPN TV, and a lot more categories that you can just simply install. Okay, you can update and yeah, just quickly install. Let's say I want the YouTube Kids. Just go here, free to download. And yeah, it will depend on your internet speed for the download of the app. Now we have some of these pre-installed videos coming together with Netflix. So yeah, here are some of the titles that you can watch. Okay, some top picks, so that you can freely watch. Say for example, this one. You can watch on Netflix, but of course you have to set up your Netflix account before you can watch this. So some other categories like horror, romance, we have kids videos over here. We also have some new trailers, music, sports, of course, how can we forget. So going back to the side, we have some of the popular apps that we have here. Okay, so there's a lot to play with here. So you can also connect your laptop over here. You can also Miracast your phone over here, which is definitely a good function. So checking some settings. On the side, we have um, your Bluetooth, language, common settings, and about. Okay, so this one has a RAM size of 1 gig and 8 gigs of storage. So pretty small. Okay, so you can connect your USB over here if you want. So let's just watch a quick video. Let's see how good this one would be playing some video on YouTube. You can sign in to your account to make it more personalized, but right now we're just going to search for, let's just say, my own channel. Let's say Gadget Sidekick. You can freely connect a Bluetooth. You can freely connect a wireless keyboard over here using a dongle, should you have one. So here are some of the videos that we have uploaded. Just let's quickly see this one.
Realme 13 Pro 5G. Finally, hawak na natin siya. And this is the AI phone na pinagmamalaki ni Realme. This one comes together with the Snapdragon 7S Gen 2, Sony LYT 600 na OIS camera, 120Hz of curved vision display, 5,200 mAh of battery, and 45 watts ang kanyang fast charging. I-recommend ko kaya to at 25,000 pesos. Meron akong surprise na price drop na isasabihin sa inyo after this quick intro.
Doing this like crazy. Glorious fighting. Immortality. Oh, that would. All around it's ever ruined. Now.
Let's just quickly try to connect my phone to its Miracast and see if how good it will be. So let's go to apps, go to Miracast. I would say that the sound was pretty good while watching. So okay, try lang natin mag-connect, no? That's how good this is. So basically I can use my phone to say watch some videos over here sa TikTok. Okay, so which is pretty good, diba? I mean, what's nice dito is pretty smooth siya, ang response niya. I was expecting some delays then, but nevertheless, it was pretty good. And yeah, you can basically do everything dito. And pag gusto natin ilagay siya sa landscape mode, which we can, like say watch lang tayo ng quick video. So gusto natin manood ng Mr. Beast na video on landscape mode, which we can definitely do. Okay na ba? I mean, it's very useful and the resolution pretty nice. And what's nice din is walang delay, no? Which is definitely the best point dito sa connection ko between my phone and dito sa Wanbo Dali 1. So guys, nakita na gaano ka okay gumamit itong device na itong Wanbo na Dali 1 projector. Very nice, very portable, very nice ang kanyang resolution. It's really easy to mount anywhere you go. Basta meron kang wall na maganda, flat, and plain, you can basically cast your projector to anywhere you want. Ganun siya ka-okay. Then guys, nakita na ang performance ng Wanbo Dali 1. Now, I would say na one of the best thing dito is sobrang liit niya. It's kaya-kaya ko grip ng aking isang kamay, so it's definitely very portable. One of the good things dito is pwede mong dalhin siya during campings or trips or overnight sa bahay ng iyong kaibigan. You can watch movies together using this projector. So alam naman natin, this is a smart projector, so you can do a lot of things dito. Pwede mo ikabit ng yung laptop dito, pwede mo ikabit ng mga Android TV box nyo dito, and there's a lot of other things that you can do over here, especially pag multimedia. So do I recommend on Dali 1 ni Wanbo? Definitely yes, it's an improvement. It's an improvement over sa T2 Max ni Wanbo, and definitely I love this one better dahil sa kanyang form factor. So guys, if you're interested, I'll be posting the link on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends, and a sub to this channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you on my next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.